Ready for a total transformation? These 20 styles change everything. Short pixie shag with razored crown layers. This cut is perfect for women over 60 with very fine hair, as the short crown layers maximize texture and build lasting structural fullness. Medium-length shag with voluminous curtain bangs. An excellent choice for women with round faces, as the soft face framing layers and parted curtain bangs visually elongate and balance facial features. Modern shoulder-grazing wolf cut. This trendy cut suits mature women wanting to balance thick, coarse hair, removing weight from the back while retaining fashionable texture and flow. Long layered shag with wispy fringe. Perfect for women over 50 who want to keep their length, but soften deep forehead lines with a delicate, airy fringe. Classic shaggy bob with side-swept bangs. Flatters oval and heart-shaped faces beautifully by shifting the visual focal point sideways and creating a chic, asymmetrical youthful frame. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Textured curly shag for natural ringlets. Designed specifically for naturally curly or wavy hair. This shape prevents the dreaded pyramid effect by distributing volume evenly. Feathered shag with crown height. Excellent for creating the illusion of a longer, slimmer neck while adding soft, feather-like movement around aging skin. Choppy lob shag with micro bangs. A bold and edgy alternative for fashionable seniors looking to embrace a youthful artistic statement that accentuates the eyes. Salt and pepper razored shag. Embraces natural dual-toned hair brilliantly, using clean razor cuts to integrate coarse silver and dark gray strands seamlessly. Wispy layered inverted shag. Provides an immediate lift to sagging jawlines by structuring the longest lengths toward the front while tapering neatly at the nape. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Medium shag with full Bardot bangs. Ideal for women who want a romantic, vintage feel that frames eyes beautifully while providing a high-volume crown structure. Ultra-short razored shaggy pixie. A great wash-and-go option for busy seniors, using sharp texture to replace daily styling efforts with effortless chicness. Long shag with face-framing layers. Softens angular, square jawlines beautifully by placing lightweight cascading layers precisely around the chin and collarbone. Wavy shaggy bob with highlights. The strategic dimensional highlights accentuate the choppy layers, adding depth that makes thinning hair appear much thicker than it is. Edgy asymmetrical shag cut. Draws focus away from asymmetrical facial aging signs, creating an eye-catching, modern, and artistic statement line instead. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Mid-length shag with soft tapered layers. Perfect for active seniors wanting a versatile mid-length shape that looks polished when worn down or easily pulled back. Choppy layered shag for thick hair. An absolute lifesaver for older women dealing with thick, unmanageable density, shredding excess bulk without thinning the ends excessively. Voluminous shag with wispy curtain bangs. Injects youthful energy into fine, flat silver hair by lifting the roots and framing cheekbones with light curtain fringes. Shaggy layered bob for fine hair. The perfect length-to-layer ratio ensures that fine hair retains a solid, thick perimeter, while achieving excellent textured movement on top. Neck-length texturized shag with bangs. A globally flattering haircut for mature women that instantly camouflage necklines while shifting visual volume upward toward the eyes. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.